Hi everybody, and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from MoneyGram to bank account. This is a straightforward way to move money from MoneyGram to your bank account. Whether you're helping out a friend or paying for something important, this guide's got you covered. Let's dive in. First, grab your phone and download the MoneyGram app from the App Store or Google Play, or visit MoneyGram.com on your computer's browser. Chrome, Safari, or Edge work great. To get started, you need a MoneyGram account. Tap Sign Up in the app or website. Then, enter your email address. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols, and provide your mobile number for verification. You'll get a text with a code to confirm your number. Enter it to proceed. Next, complete your profile by adding your full name, date of birth, country of birth, and home address. This ensures your account is fully set up for secure transactions. You'll see options to join MoneyGram Plus Rewards, which can save you money with discounts on future transfers. Choose whether you want notifications about rewards via email, text, or both. Then check the box to agree to the rewards terms and the general terms and conditions. Tap Sign Up to continue. Now verify your identity. This varies by location, but you might need to upload a photo of your driver's license or passport through the app. Follow the prompts to submit, and verification usually takes a few minutes to a day. Once your account is verified, open the app and tap the Send button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the amount you want to send. Let's say $50 for this example. The app will display the recipient's amount after fees and exchange rates so you know exactly what they'll get. Select Direct to Bank Account as the delivery method. This ensures the money goes straight to their bank. Now, choose your payment method. You can use a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. I'll go with a debit card for faster processing, but note that credit cards may have a 3 to 5% fee. Enter the recipient's bank details, like their IBAN or account number, and their full legal name. Double-check these details to avoid delays. A single wrong digit can cause issues. Unique tip: save the recipient's bank details in the app's Contacts section after your first transfer to speed up future sends, especially for recurring payments like family support. Review the transfer summary, including fees and delivery time, usually 1 to 4 days. Then tap Continue to confirm. You'll get a reference number. Share it with the recipient for tracking. If the transfer doesn't go through, ensure the recipient's bank details are correct, or check if your payment method has sufficient funds. If your account isn't verified, complete ID verification in the app. For further help, tap Help in the app to contact MoneyGram support, or visit MoneyGram.com. You can track the transfer in the Track and Receive tab using the reference number and your last name. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.